Morning, Carter. It's Mary Elizabeth over at Tameron Honda. Thank you so much for your online interest in the Type R Civic. Now, I do have one in the Aegean blue right here on the floor. It is the touring line, which gives you 306 horsepower, triple exhaust, beautiful disc brakes, and is the fastest front-wheel drive in America. Check these wheels out. You will have 19-inch alloy aluminum wheels, a whole body underkit that makes it even more sporty. Now, there's a whole lot more I can't show you right now in this video. Come on in. Let's schedule some VIP test time. 205-519-1710. That's Mary Elizabeth. I'm here at Tameron Honda, where I guarantee you're going to love the way you're treated. Bye now.